I spilled water on my remote and now it's dead.
I think there might still be a chance to save it.
Don't press any buttons. Water creates shorts on the board. Remove the batteries immediately to stop the power.
Use a soft brush to clear water from the button gaps.
Indeterminate. Isopropyl alcohol is the secret to drying electronics.
Use cool air only. Never use heat on a remote. Let it sit for 24 hours to be safe. It's the professional standard for proper air drying.
Install fresh batteries once the remote is bone dry.
Total success. Every button is responding perfectly.
It works perfectly. Thank you.
Don't buy a new one yet. Try the lab method first.